what's up everyone, it is Tyiece here. So to prep my hair for my formal hairstyle, I am starting by deep conditioning my hair. So deep conditioning is the foundation of your hairstyle. So this week I'm using the Camille Rose Fresh Honey Nectar Deep Conditioning Treatment. So since this deep conditioning treatment mainly has rice water as one of its main ingredients, it gives me both a moisturizing and a strengthening feel. So make sure that you deep condition your hair in sections, and deep conditioning your hair helps to put moisture into your hair so that your hairstyles can come out the best. So do not skip this step before you style your 4C natural hair. After applying that deep conditioner, I just cover with a plastic cap for about 20 to 30 minutes with heat, and then I rinse it out. So I am back, and now it's time to move on to the styling portion of my hairstyle. With honey and tangerine, I like my coffee sweet. So now it's time to style my hair, and I am starting off by spritzing my hair with the honeydew. So this is a liquid moisturizer refresher type of spray. The second ingredient is rice water. So this line is geared more towards the rice water is what I'm noticing. So I'm just spritzing my hair all over, and then I follow up with the honey hydrate leave-in. So leave-in conditioner primes your hair and preps it for styling. For this week's formal hairstyle, I will be doing a mohawk or a faux mohawk. So I section off the piece that I will be twisting up, and to twist that section up, I will be using the honey mousse. So this mousse is incredible. It's my favorite in the honey line. It's very moisturizing. It makes my hair so manageable, and it gives it a uniform look. So I'm not doing a 2-strand twist. I'm just doing a I don't even know what this twist is called. I just know it's a twist. You just twist it going up. I think it's like a roll twist. So I'm just roll twisting the hair going up towards my mohawk, and then I use a bobby pin to secure that twist. So these twists are perfect if you don't know how to 2-strand twist. So I just part off a section behind that twist. So you want to use a rat tail comb. It makes it easier for you to part your hair precisely. Apply that mousse to the section, and then you twist it up. So the mousse makes the hair look a lot more laid and uniform. Be very generous with it. Comb it through your hair just to distribute it, and then you just roll twist that hair up. This type of twist was really popular like in the early 2000s, and then like the 2-strand twist started taking over. But yeah, if you know the name of the twist, let me know down below. So for the back, I section off a piece in the back after doing those first two. This is going to make it easier to give you that uniform part. So I'm just twisting the back going towards the middle, just as I did in the first 2 twists. So I was so happy when this line came out, guys. You guys know I'm a big fan of Camille Rose. I'm always buying their products. So I was so happy when they launched this honey line to extend the honey leave-in conditioner. And so far, I'm very pleased with the products. The only one that didn't really work well for my hair is the honey hydrate, the original honey leave-in. I find that it just makes my hair a bit stiff, but everything else is good. So now moving on to the middle section of my mohawk, and I'm using the honeycomb curl whip. So this is a texture defining super cream that is used to define your twist. So I did use the super cream and I used the spike honey mousse on top of that super cream. For some reason I didn't record myself putting on the mousse, but I did. As you can see, my twist is foaming up. So I use a combination of both, and oh my goodness, this combination is freaking everything. I feel like I found a bomb twist out combo. Like, you guys have to try this. I absolutely love this combo and I look forward to using it even more. I've never used the combination of a twisting cream and a mousse on my hair, but for some reason today I just decided to experiment. I was like, why not give it a try? So I'm just regular 2-strand twisting my hair. This is going to serve as my twist out in the middle. So after applying those 2 products, I make sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled. So this is what is going to allow you to get the best twist outs. If your hair is tangled, then it'll be hard to take down your twist out and it'll cause a lot of frizz, plus it won't be as defined. So detangling your hair before doing a twist out is key. So with these products applied while I'm styling it, the super cream and the mousse makes my hair feel incredible. Oh my goodness. And it smells so lovely. The scent of these products are everything. It's just pure aromatherapy with that pure honey scent. They really mastered the honey scent. I can absolutely say this. They have the best honey scent on the market that I've tried so far. Every other brand that sells honey scented products is never on point like this line. So I allow my hair to dry for at least 24 hours before I take it down. If you don't know, taking down damp twist is a no-go in the natural hair world. You want your hair to be fully dry because you want to get the best results and you want your hair to last. So this is how my hair looks. It's time to take down these juicy twists. As you can see, you can already tell this twist out is going to be bomb by how juicy my twists look. So judge it by that. So to take down my twist, I am just pulling the hair apart, and this is why you need to properly detangle your hair, because you don't want your hair to be snag or tangle while you're taking it down, because that is going to cause frizz. You want it to come down effortlessly.
With honey and tangerine, I like my coffee sweet.
To be honest, I could have left my hair like this. It looks really nice and defined this way, but I wanted to go for more volume, so I just decided to separate those sections into like 2 to 3 pieces just to give it that volume look.
With honey and tangerine.
And of course, I decided to spice it up and add some pearl accessories, which is perfect for a formal occasion, whether it's a wedding or you're just going to an orchestra or to church, anything that is really formal. This look will be perfect for that. So I hope that you give it a try. Give me a rating down below. Let me know if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more 4C natural hair content. I do upload every week, so you will see new videos posted.